Antarctica, Earth's southernmost continent, is a land of extremes, characterized by its incredibly cold, dry, and windy climate, vast ice sheets, and unique wildlife. It's a place of scientific importance, governed by international treaty, and increasingly impacted by climate change. Geography and climate. Antarctica is almost entirely south of the Antarctic Circle, surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It's the fifth largest continent, about 40% larger than Europe, with an area of 14,200,000 square kilometers, 5,500,000 square miles. The vast majority of the continent is covered by the Antarctic ice sheet, averaging 1.9 kilometers, 1.2 miles thick. This ice sheet contains about 70% of the world's freshwater reserves. Antarctica holds the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth, -89.2 degrees Celsius, -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a polar desert, with very little precipitation. The climate varies regionally. Coastal areas can experience temperatures above 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit in summer, while the interior remains far colder. Geology and biodiversity. Antarctica's geology is complex, featuring ancient rocks, volcanic activity, and significant ice-covered mountains, including the Transantarctic Mountains. The continent's biodiversity is surprisingly rich in the ocean surrounding it, but terrestrial life is limited to cold-tolerant species like penguins, seals, mites, nematodes, and various lichens and mosses. Human activity and governance. Antarctica has no permanent human population, but thousands of scientists and tourists visit seasonally. The continent is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System, signed in 1959, which designates it as a natural reserve, prohibits military activity and mining, and promotes scientific cooperation. However, human activities, including tourism and fishing, pose environmental challenges, particularly concerning pollution and climate change. Climate change impacts. Climate change is significantly impacting Antarctica, with observed warming trends, particularly in West Antarctica and the Antarctic Peninsula. The melting of the West Antarctic ice sheet is a major concern, potentially leading to significant sea level rise and disruptions to ocean currents. NASA utilizes satellites like ICESAT to monitor these changes. In conclusion, Antarctica is a unique and vital part of the Earth system, a continent of breathtaking beauty and scientific importance, facing significant challenges from climate change.